and take a sambar. Don't you shouldn't taste it like this. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮರಿಟ್ಲೆ ಚಾಮಿಂದ ಚಾಮಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ அதனால் நினைக்கணும். இது எடுத்துட்டு இது வாயில் வச்சு பார்க்கணும். கருவாடை இருக்குது, அதுவும் தண்ணி ஊற்ற விடாது. அது வெந்துடும். இப்போ கருவாடை ஸோ can keep a little more water. The salt is not that, so still you have to pour little water with the salt. So any curry or dishes you have to keep a sambar and sambar powder and the salt properly. Then only we are having only the food will be very smell. Salt is very good. So you can keep it here, don't keep it more, so you have to don't keep it in a hand. So like this you have to keep it with this soaking. So whenever we are making anything, anybody, so you have to keep the taste of is good like this. You have to take a taste. The taste is good. It is be there. Now I'm going to put the kharwad. So you have to cover it. All the heat will be operated. Heat will be there. Going to make a kharwad for that. So rice is going to make a kharwad. So you have to put it like this. The packet is more costly. So at last we have to put it. in the water, you have to wash it because you have to put salt and salt and they have to put before they have to put salt and this tamarind, what to put salt, but if you put it preserve for a long time, and if you put haldi, if you put haldi means if you put tamarind, then no criminal comes, so that's why they are using, so it's better that wash it clearly, that no disease or anything doesn't come. So you have to keep it like this, let it be boiled, then you have to keep it like this, and clean and let it be ready.